Hey guys, the good folks over at DOVAMAN sent me this lawn and garden lawnmower. We're going to get it opened up and check it out. While I'm getting it opened up, I will put the details to this, like the amperage and all that, right down here, so you can check that out. Have our user manual, hardware here, for our handle, grass catcher, and our mower itself. The handle put on here, and then we're going to try it out. 13 amp, 16 inch. I don't know if you saw it as I was flipping it out. I'll show you again the height adjustment. Now you can adjust this up or lower wherever you need it. Have some little screws here taped onto the handle here. I'm not quite sure what that's for yet, but we will figure it out. Oh, you can adjust the angle of this. It's got adjustments here. You can raise that up. Pull it out, raise it up, or not pull it out, but spread it out this way, wherever you need it. Right, so far so good. Now see what the screws are for. It's a cable holder, like that. And we'll put our screw right through here to hold it there. And there's another hole right down here, just like that. I have to get a screwdriver and put these screws in to hold that. Pretty much it, easy peasy. This is our handle for our grass catcher. It's got a notch right here, slot right there. Slide that in there, pop that in there, just like that. There you go. This, you'll just lift this up. Got some hooks right here. They will hook in. Probably gonna be hard to see, but there's slots right here on each side, kind of by the wheel. Kind of by the rear wheel, put in like that, just like that. There you go. Got a little flipper right here, so when that bag gets full, it's going to flip up and tell you it's time to empty it. Actually, it'll be lifted up, and it says go, and when it's down, it says stop. So I guess when it quits getting air flowing through it, this will flip back down. We get a screwdriver, and we'll put these clips on there. Let me take this back off so I can get to those screws. Alrighty, should be in business now. That height adjustment that I was talking about, I'll show you right here. Pull out and go up. It'll lift the whole deck all the way down. We're going to start off on a 3 right here for this yard. I haven't mowed it in a while. You'll understand when I show you. We might not even go up one more. Well, we'll try it. We're going to put it to the test. We're going to go with a 3. I don't think I showed you. I'm not going to really use that grass catcher in this yard. But when you lift this up, you'll see that there's a blocker basically in here. Just push that forward and slide it out. Got a little catch right there. Just kind of, when you push it forward, that pushes this up, releases it. So if you're going to use your grass catcher, take this out. The good thing is, we don't have to worry about gas and oil and cranking it. Let's put it to the test. Got an easy carrying handle right here. Look at that. Nothing to it, doesn't weigh nothing hardly. Run your extension cord right up in here, just like that, and it'll keep it from pulling off the plug here. There's a little orange button right here. You'll have to push that in and then pull it down on your safety cutoff here, the engager, I should say. There you go. Let off. Away we go. Man, this thing rolls super easy. Now we know it'll go through that. Let's try something a little deeper, or a little taller, shall we say. Some thick, tall grass, and it's going through it. I would probably advise raising the deck up a little more on this tall grass. It does put it a little bit of a bind, but man, look how tall that grass was. It's a good test for it, that's for sure. All right, well, there you have it. You saw how good it does the job. My only complaint about it is having to pull the cord around. Other than that, it does a great job. I think this would be a wonderful lawnmower for somebody that had a smaller yard. But if you got like a large yard, having to drag that cord around everywhere might be a little bit of a hassle. But other than that, not a problem. Hey, if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. So there it is. Does a fine job. You saw what it did. Thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.